This is how you're going to add a Glide app to your phone home screen. So first, we're going to make sure that we copy the link of our app first because we are going to need that to be able to open it to our phone. So for example, I'm just going to get the link of this one. I'm going to click on share right here, and then I'm going to copy the app link, and then I'm going to send it to myself. Now, after that, I'm just going to go and head over to my phone, and then from my phone you will be able to see that I have the link right here. We're just going to click on that, and then it will take us to the Safari, or from this browser version we're going to click on share, and then we're going to scroll down until we find the open in Safari option. Now once we are in our Safari, we're just going to hit on share once again, and then from there we're just going to click on add to home screen. Now this will add the app to our home screen. We're just going to make sure to create a name for this and then click on add. Now we will be able to see it from our home screen. And that's it. That is how we are able to add a Glide app to our phone home screen. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.